everyone, welcome back to my mom's YouTube channel. I am Arnav and today we are going to do an amazing science experiment from my Einstein box Ultimate Science Kit. Today's experiment is underwater volcano. And no, we are not using real lava, but it's look super cool. Now let's get started. Here's what we need. Test tube, measuring cylinder, steering stick, spatula, funnel, citric acid, baking soda, red food color, water, cooking oil. First step, measure 10 ml water using measuring cylinder. Pour it into the test tube. Step 2. Now add 2 drops of red color. 1, 2. Use the steering stick to mix it. Now let's see its color. It's a little lighter. Let's add a few more drops of red color. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's now in red color, looking like a lava. Next, add 1 scoop of baking soda. Here is baking soda. First, put the funnel on the test tube. Now add 1 scoop of baking soda into the test tube. That's one of our volcano ingredients. Step 4. Measure 20 ml of cooking oil. Now it is 20 ml. Now you can see oil is floating on the top of water. That's because oil is lighter. Step 5. Finally, add 1 scoop of citric acid. Look! Bubbles are coming up like a mini volcano. Did you see those bubbles? They come from the water layer and rise through the oil slowly. That's because oil is thicker or more viscous than water. Here's the science behind this experiment. When we mix citric acid and baking soda, they react and make gas called carbon dioxide. This is the same gas we breathe out, and it's what makes the bubble rise. The chemical reaction is citric acid, that is C6H8O7, plus baking soda, that is 3NaHCO3, that makes sodium citrate. Na3C6H5O7 plus water, that is 3HO2 plus carbon dioxide 3CO2. Wasn't that awesome? We just made an underwater volcano and learned about carbon dioxide and chemical reactions. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my mom's channel for more cool experiments. Bye bye, stay curious.